5. Acids, bases and salts. We use in our daily life a large number of substances such as lemon, tamarind, common salt, sugar and vinegar. Do they have the same taste? Let us recall tastes of some edible substances listed in table 5.1. If you have not tested any of these substances, taste it now and enter the result in table 5.1. Table 5.1. You find that some of these substances taste sour, some taste bitter, some taste sweet and some taste salty. 5.1 Acids and bases. Curd, lemon juice, orange juice and vinegar taste sour. These substances taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of such substances is acidic. The word acid comes from the Latin word acea, which means sour. The acids in these substances are natural acids. What about baking soda? Does it also taste sour? If not, what is its taste? Since it does not taste sour, it means that it has no acids in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub its solution between fingers, it feels soapy. Generally, substances like these which are bitter in taste and feel soapy on touching are known as bases. The nature of such substances is said to be basic. If we cannot taste every substance, how do we find its nature? Special type of substances are used to test whether a substance is acidic or basic. These substances are known as indicators. The indicators change their color when added to a solution containing an acidic or a basic substance. Turmeric, litmus, China rose petals, gudhal, etc. are some of the naturally occurring indicators. Caution. 1. Do not taste anything unless asked to do so. 2. Do not touch anything unless asked to do so. Substance. Taste, sour, bitter, any other. Lemon juice, orange juice, vinegar, curd, tamarind, imli, sugar, common salt, amla, baking soda, grapes, unripe mango, cucumber. 2022 to 2023. Name of acid: acetic acid, formic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, ascorbic acid, vitamin C, tartaric acid. Name of base: calcium hydroxide. Do you know? All the acids mentioned above occur in nature. Ammonium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide. Found in vinegar, ants sting, citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, etc. Curd, spinach, amla, citrus fruits, tamarind, grapes, unripe mangoes, etc. Found in lime water, window cleaner, soap, milk of magnesia. Can I taste all substances to find their taste? No. Have you not read the caution? We should not taste unknown substances. They could harm us. 5.2 Natural indicators around us. Litmus, a natural dye. The most commonly used natural indicator is litmus. It is extracted from lichens. Figure 5.1a. It has a mauve purple color in distilled water. When added to an acidic solution, it turns red, and when added to a basic solution, it turns blue. It is available in the form of a solution, or in the form of strips of paper, known as litmus paper. Generally, it is available as red and blue litmus paper. Figure 5.1b. B. Figure 5.1. Lichens, and B. Red and blue litmus paper. 50. Science. 2022 to 2023. Activity 5.1. Mix some water with lemon juice in a plastic cut tumbler test tube. Put a drop of the above solution on a strip of the red litmus paper with the help of a dropper. Is there any change in color? Repeat the same exercise with the blue litmus paper. Note down if there is any change in color. Perform the same activity with the following substances: tap water, detergent solution, aerated drink, soap solution, shampoo, common salt solution, sugar solution, vinegar, baking soda solution, milk of magnesia, wash-in soda solution, lime water. If possible, make solutions in distilled water. Record your observations as in table 5.2. In your table, are there any substances on which litmus had no effect? Name those substances. The solutions which do not change the color of either red or blue litmus are known as neutral solutions. These substances are neither acidic nor basic. Figure 5.2. Children performing litmus test. Turmeric is another natural indicator. Activity 5.2. Take a tablespoonful of turmeric powder, add a little water and make a paste. Make turmeric paper by depositing turmeric paste on blotting paper, filter paper and drying it. Cut thin strips of the yellow paper obtained. Put a drop of soap solution on the strip of turmeric paper. What do you observe? To prepare lime water, take some water in a tumbler and add some lime tuner into it, stir the solution and keep it for some time, pour a little from the top. This is lime water. Table 5.2. Dakshin No. Test solution. Effect on red litmus paper. Effect on blue litmus paper. Inference. Acids, bases and salts. 51. 2022 to 2023. You can prepare a greeting card for your mother on her birthday. Apply turmeric paste on a sheet of plain white paper and dry it. Draw a beautiful flower with soap solution with the help of a cotton bud. You will get a beautiful greeting card. Now I understand why a turmeric stain on my white shirt is turned to red when it is washed with soap. It is because the soap solution is basic. Turmeric paste. Soap solution. Similarly, test the solutions listed in table 5.3 and note down your observations. You may try solutions of other substances also. China rose as indicator. Activity 5.3. Collect some China rose gadhal petals and place them in a beaker. Add some. Table 5.3. China rose. Acid. Indicator. Base. Figure 5.3 Chinarosa fluorand indicator prepared from it. Dakshin No. Test solution. Effect on turmeric solution. Remarks. 1. Lemon juice. 2. Orange juice. 3. Vinegar. 4. Milk of magnesia. 5. Baking soda. 6. Lime water. 7. Sugar. 8. Common salt. 52. Science. 2022 to 2023. Table 5.4. Dakshin No. Test solution. Initial color. Final color. 1. Shampoo, dilute solution. 2. Lemon juice. 3. Soda water. 4. Sodium hydrogen carbonate solution. 5. Vinegar. 6. Sugar solution. 7. Common salt solution. Warm water. Keep the mixture for some time till water becomes colored. Use the colored water as an indicator. Add 5 drops of the indicator to each of the solutions given in table 5.4. What is the effect of the indicator on acidic, basic and neutral solutions? China rose indicator. Figure 5.3 turns acidic solutions to dark pink magenta and basic solutions to green. I am not getting the same result when using solid baking soda on dry litmus paper. Why? Make a solution of baking soda and then try. Paheli brought the following Paheli riddle for you. Activity 5.4. The teacher is requested to get the dilute solution of the following chemicals from his/her school laboratory or from a nearby school: hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid, sodium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, lime water. Table 5.5. Dakshin No. Name of acid. Effect on litmus paper. Effect on turmeric paper. Effect on China rose solution. 1. Dilute hydrochloric acid. 2. 3. Acids, bases and salts. 53. 2022 to 2023. Coffee is brown and bitter in taste. Is it an acid or a base? Don't give the answer without any test. You are in the dark with its taste. Are you familiar with the term acid rain? Have you ever heard about damaging effect of acid rain? As the name indicates, the rain containing excess of acids is called an acid rain. Where do these acids come from? The rain becomes acidic because carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, which are released into the air as pollutants, dissolve in raindrops to form carbonic acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. Acid rain can cause damage to buildings, historical monuments, plants and animals. Caution. Great care should be taken while handling laboratory acids and bases because these are corrosive in nature, irritating and harmful to skin. Demonstrate the effect of the 3 indicators on each of these solutions. Record your observations in table 5.5. 5.3 Neutralization. We have learnt that acids turn blue litmus red and bases turn red litmus blue. Let us see what happens when an acid is mixed with a base. We are going to use an indicator you have not used so far. It is called phenolphthalein. Activity 5.5. To be demonstrated by the teacher in the class. Fill 1/4 of a test tube with dilute hydrochloric acid. Note down its color. Note down the color of phenolphthalein solution also. Add 2 to 3 drops of the indicator to the acid. Now shake the test tube gently. Do you observe any change in color of the acid? Add to the acidic solution a drop of sodium hydroxide solution by a dropper. 54. Stir the tube gently. Is there any change in the color of the solution? Continue adding the sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop while stirring till the pink color just appears. Now add one more drop of dilute hydrochloric acid. What do you observe? The solution again becomes colorless. Again add one drop of sodium hydroxide solution. Is there any change in color? The solution again becomes pink in color. It is evident that when the solution is basic, phenolphthalein gives a pink color. On the other hand, when the solution is acidic, it remains colorless. Base. Acid plus indicator. Figure 5.4 Process of neutralization science. 2022 to 2023. When an acidic solution is mixed with a basic solution, both the solutions neutralize the effect of each other. When an acid solution and a base solution are mixed in suitable amounts, both the acidic nature of the acid and the basic nature of the base are destroyed. The resulting solution is neither acidic nor basic. Touch the test tube immediately after neutralization. What do you observe? In neutralization reaction, heat is always produced, or evolved. The evolved heat rises the temperature of the reaction mixture. In neutralization reaction a new substance is formed. This is called salt. Salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Thus, neutralization can be defined as follows. The reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization. Salt and water are produced in this process with the evolution of heat. Acid plus base salt plus water heat is evolved. The following reaction is an example. Hydrochloric acid, HCl, plus sodium hydroxide, NaO. Sodium chloride, NaCl, plus water H2O. Bujo added dilute sulfuric acid to lime water. Will the reaction mixture become hot or cool? 5.4 Neutralization in everyday life. Indigestion. Our stomach contains hydrochloric acid. It helps us to digest food, as you have learnt in chapter 2, but too much of acid in the stomach causes indigestion. Sometimes indigestion is painful. To relieve indigestion, we take an antacid such as milk of magnesia, which contains magnesium hydroxide. It neutralizes the effect of excessive acid. Ant bite. When an ant bites, it injects the acidic liquid, formic acid into the skin. The effect of the acid can be neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda, sodium hydrogen carbonate or calamine solution, which contains zinc carbonate. Soil treatment. Excessive use of chemical fertilizers makes the soil acidic. Plants do not grow well when the soil is either too acidic or too basic. When the soil is too acidic, it is treated with bases like quicklime, calcium oxide or slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. If the soil is basic, organic matter compost is added to it. Organic matter releases acids which neutralizes the basic nature of the soil. Factory wastes. The wastes of many factories contain acids. If they are allowed to flow into the water bodies, the acids will kill fish and other organisms. The factory wastes are, therefore, neutralized by adding basic substances. Acids, bases and salts. 55. 2022 to 2023. Keywords. What you have learned. Acid. Basic. Neutralization. Acidic. Indicator. Salt. Base. Neutral. N. N. Acids are sour in taste. Generally, bases are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. Acid turns blue litmus red. Bases turn red litmus blue. Substances which are neither acidic nor basic are called neutral. Solutions of substances that show different color in acidic, basic and neutral solutions are called indicators. An acid and a base neutralize each other and form a salt. A salt may be acidic, basic or neutral in nature. Exercises. 1. State differences between acids and bases. 2. Ammonia is found in many household products, such as window cleaners. It turns red litmus blue. What is its nature? 3. Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? 4. Is the distilled water acidic, basic, neutral? How would you verify it? 5. Describe the process of neutralization with the help of an example. 6. Mark T if the statement is true and F if it is false. I nitric acid turn red litmus blue TF. 2 sodium hydroxide turns blue litmus red TF. 3 sodium hydroxide and hydrochloric acid neutralize each other and form salt and water TF. IV indicator is a substance which shows different colors in acidic and basic solutions TF. V tooth decay is caused by the presence of a base TF. 7. Doraji has a few bottles of soft drink in his restaurant, but, unfortunately, these are not labeled. He has to serve the drinks on the demand of customers. One customer wants acidic drink, another wants basic and third one wants neutral drink. How will Doraji decide which drink is to be served to whom? 8. Explain why. An antacid tablet is taken when you suffer from acidity. 56. Science. 2022 to 2023. B-calamine solution is applied on the skin when an ant bites. C. Factory waste is neutralized before disposing it into the water bodies. 9. 3 liquids are given to you. One is hydrochloric acid, another is sodium hydroxide and third is a sugar solution. How will you identify them? You have only turmeric indicator. 10. Blue litmus paper is dipped in a solution. It remains blue. What is the nature of the solution? Explain. 11. Consider the following statements. A. Both acids and bases change color of all indicators. B. If an indicator gives a color change with an acid, it does not give a change with a base. C. If an indicator changes color with a base, it does not change color with an acid. D. Change of color in an acid and a base depends on the type of the indicator. Which of these statements are correct? I. Alpha. 2. And. 3. B. Canned. IV. ONLID. Extended learning activities and projects. 1. Using the knowledge of acids and bases, write a secret message with the help of baking soda and beetroot. Explain how it works. Hint. Prepare baking soda solution in water. Use this solution to write the message on a sheet of white paper with a cotton bud. Rub a slice of fresh beetroot over the message. 2. Prepare red cabbage juice by boiling a piece of red cabbage in water. Use it as an indicator and test the acidic and basic solutions with it. Present your observations in the form of a table. 3. Bring the soil sample of your area. Find out if it is acidic, basic or neutral. Discuss with farmers if they treat the soil in any manner. 4. Visit a doctor. Find out the medicines he prescribes to treat acidity. Ask him how acidity can be prevented. Did you know? Each cell in our body contains an acid, the deoxyribonucleic acid or DNA. It controls every feature of the body such as our looks, color of our eyes, our height, etc. Proteins that build part of our cells are also made of amino acids. The fats in our body contain fatty acids.